Hi student, I am Asif Tiwari, SSC teacher. And today in the lesson number 1 from the 9th class, Political Science, and this is our first lesson, what is democracy, why democracy. And I will start this video lecture on the 9th class Civics, Political Science. So take this lesson very carefully, and it may be interesting for all the students. So students, let's we see about the first democracy. The first, what is the meaning of democracy? Democracy, that is very simple meaning, that people's rule. And from the Greek language you know very well, the democratia. This is the word, and where we will see that is a democratic government. So student, democracy, why it is very, we'll say, unique form of the government than the other form of the government. So if we want to discover about the democracy, why it is very unique form of the government, so we have to see the feature. Number 1, it is people's own government. Number 1, these are the features. Second, the rulers are kept changed. That is the second important thing. Next one, people have the right to choose their ruler. Means people who can decide their ruler of the country. And very important things, people cannot bear the same ruler for long time. That is very important features of the democracy, because democratic government, which is a unique form of the government in the world, but it is not so much old, because the alternative of the democracy, you know very well, the monarchy. And second one is dictator form of government. If we see all these features in this two alternative of the democracy, so we will miss all these features in the democracy, alternative of the democracy. Means this is not a people's own government, where the one ruler live long in the country without the wish of the people of the country. Second thing, ruler kept change, because there is the familyhood system, means Vanshvad, dynastic system. So obviously the son of the king will be the king of the country. Next one, people have the right to choose their ruler. Means there is no power in the hand of people. Means people are totally neutral. Means they have no any power. And next one, people cannot bear the same. But in this form of the government, means monarchy and dictatorship, where people have to bear the same ruler for a long time in the country. So student, all these points are very important to understand the same lesson, and it will help you to understand the lesson in your memories, in your mind for a long time. Hope you will get this lecture very carefully, and your comment will also inspire me to make the good videos. And thank you for watching and listening this video.